Hello, vintage lovers, time travelers, and history bounders. I'm Christine, the Glambassador. I'm very excited to introduce a new service that I will be providing on my blog, chronicallyoverdressed.com. One-on-one video sessions with me to help you achieve your personal vintage style. Over the years, I have fielded so many questions about my personal vintage style. I've been asked about everything from how to create vintage hairstyles or how to achieve a successful wet set, to the best way to create a 1930s, 1940s brow shape. I get a lot of questions on how to achieve that authentic vintage look, especially as a curvy woman. What silhouettes flatter, how to measure yourself to find those marvelous true vintage and reproduction pieces. I've made a dozen video tutorials and well over 100 blog posts on all of these topics. But it's one thing to see me do my hair or see how I've put an outfit together out of my own wardrobe, and it's something entirely different to try and do it yourself. So I've created one-on-one vintage styling sessions so I can help you with your hair and your makeup and your wardrobe, using what you already have. If you've been struggling to get your wet set just right, I'm your gal. If you're wondering how to alter your Ishakti dress so it fits more of a 1930s, 1940s style, I'll share with you some tricks to help you achieve the look that you're going for. I can help you color coordinate and accessorize your outfits to complete that polished look. And makeup. Did I mention that I'm a professional makeup artist? There's nothing like getting your eyebrows just right to complete that vintage look. I hope that you'll join me for a vintage styling session soon, and maybe we can bring a little bit of glamour into your everyday life.